Alright, good evening. Welcome back to Beam Vision. Alright, gonna go over the elevator installment, and we'll probably do the rudder after this. Just gonna show you kind of what the components entail. Alright, here pretty much it's a pull system. It's pretty good hardware, no issues with it, so I'm going to use all of it. Just temporary servo horn until I get my metal ones. Going to use 8711s. Looks like it's got a pretty thick brass sleeve that goes inside the jet. Has 2 ball bearings on each side. This is aluminum. It's got a flat spot, which you can kind of see here on this one. Flat spot. There's also a flat spot on the elevator rod. Solid carbon fiber rod with a flat spot on it. Of course, lines up with this flat spot. And then, of course, this piece here just fits right down on top of it. Type deal. All right. So shouldn't be any play. Nice, solid, strong setup. Each little clevis that you put on, or the ball end I call them, like on my helicopters, has a bearing in there with 2 brass bushings. One inserts into the actual horn, the other one acts as a spacer to keep it off of the servo or the mounting surface. So this is actually actually backwards. And then of course lock washer on top. Nice heavy duty rods. I think they're just steel. Let's see. And you got your rudder clevis is similar. Same ball end on one end, but then the other portion that connects to the where's it at here? To this piece. Oops, there we go. Which slides up on the shaft of the rudder. It's just like a typical, flat style. So what I'm going to do, Jack L posted a picture of what he did too. Is he basically just got another ball end for this end and put it on here. This will probably have to be drilled out because that's a real small hole, just big enough to get that little piece in there inside. So I'll probably have to drill that a little bit to get a ball on there. But that's what I'm going to do, I think. Although this is nice and simple, and I don't know, we'll see. Just depends on how much time I get, and not having a hobby shop around close, it kind of makes it a pain to go and get the little things like this that you would normally get at a hobby shop, and you have to order it and wait 2 to 3 days. Other than that, let's take a look at the jet here. It's going to be kind of hard to see, but I'll get some light to kind of help make it a little bit easier to see. Alright, that is quarter-inch ply in there. It's also where you mount the servo. It's kind of a little further back. There's the actual shaft exit with the bearing right inside there. And then right behind that carbon fiber honeycomb piece is where the servo mounts. And then of course you got access holes behind there to run your wiring. And it's the same like that on both. The rudder on top is the same, which I'll show you later. Alright, so we're going to let me zoom back out here. Get this other clevis on here real quick. Actually, I'm going to pause it, and then once I get to the clevis on, I'll continue.